Hello, I'm John Will from the South Yorkshire Safer Roads Partnership. Have you ever wondered if there have been any personal injury collisions on the roads in your area? Well, there's a collision map on our Safer Roads website that gives you all the information. And I'm going to show you how to get there and have a look at it. So first, I'm going to share my screen so you can see. And you need to go to your internet browser and type in SYSRP and then click on South Yorkshire Safer Roads Partnership. And here you'll see our home screen and you need to click on the tab at the top that says Data. And that takes you through to our data portal, which gives you all the collision information that we receive from South Yorkshire Police when there's been a crash that involves somebody who's been injured. So here you'll find charts and dashboards and reports for each of the local authority areas within South Yorkshire. And this is also where you can find our collision map. So this shows the map of South Yorkshire and it includes all the collision information for a 5-year period from 2015 to 2019. And if you zoom in, then you can look at different areas. And if we zoom in a little bit further, you can see that information at a street level. And each one of these dots represents a road traffic collision. So the red dots represent fatal collisions, the blue dots represent serious collisions, the green dots represent slight collisions. And if you click on those dots, it gives you a little bit more information about that particular collision. So the date it occurred, the number of vehicles and casualties, and the types of road users who were injured. So that's our collision map. But whilst you're here on the website, why not have a look around at some of the other information. We've got a news section. We talk about all the different campaigns and training courses that we can offer. And there's information for each age group. So school children, young adults, and drivers, cyclists, pedestrians. Why not follow us on social media to keep up to date with all the latest news. So I hope you found that useful and thank you for watching. See you again. Goodbye.